Meaning of fallible.
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 Fallible. The word fallible refers to something or someone that is capable of making mistakes or errors. It implies that the individual or thing in question is not infallible and can potentially make incorrect decisions or judgments. This means that a fallible individual can be wrong, and their opinions or actions may not always be reliable. However, being fallible is a part of human nature, and it is important to accept one's fallibility and learn from mistakes to improve oneself gradually.